Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Armando J. Cox. I'm the owner of Foothills Roofing and Exteriors. Thank you for tuning in today. We're going to do a video, product demonstration video on a product that probably our signature product. It's called the Malarkey Legacy, and it is a Class 4 impact resistant roof. This is the shingle here. Malarkey Legacy is the highest quality asphalt roofing that you can get in the roofing market, in my opinion. So if you're going to get a roof, especially a new asphalt roof, you should look at this product here. I've installed a lot of different roofing over the years, a lot of different manufacturers, different products, and we've landed on the Legacy because it holds up to hail the best that any other roofing has. I've only had to replace one Legacy roof. It was a 15-year-old roof and it was damaged by 3-inch hail. Other than that, I haven't had to replace any Legacy roofs. So one of the really great things about the Legacy is that's the highest weighted roof in its class. So you get 275 pounds per 100 square feet. So 100 square feet is kind of the way roofers measure roofing. It's called a square, 10 by 10 square. So this is the heaviest weighted, so you get more coverage on your roof. You get 120 shingles per square with the Legacy, and most roofing manufacturers, you only get 90 shingles per square. So that's 3 bundles per square, whereas the Legacy, it's 4 bundles per square. So that's a really big difference with how the quality of this product is. I think another really important thing about this product is it's made with recycled materials. So we are an eco-friendly company. We believe in using eco-friendly products as much as possible. You're saving about 5 tires from going into the landfill because they recycle rubber to use into the roofing product. You're keeping a lot of plastics and rubber tires out of the landfill by using this product here. So one really great thing about this product too is that it gets you a discount with your insurance company. So you could get 20 to 30% off your yearly premium. Not only does it hold up to hail really well, it also will save you from future deductibles. You don't necessarily have to replace your roof year after year. This is another really awesome feature of this product as well. So whether you're going to get a roof from us or get a roof from somebody else, I highly recommend you look at the Malarkey Legacy Class 4 impact resistant roof as your next roof replacement. So that's going to wrap it up with our video today on Malarkey Legacy. I hope that was educational, informative for you. Please feel free to reach out to us, ask any questions, comment below, and we'll be happy to respond. Thank you and have a great day.